So when you hear folks talking about a global conspiracy and saying that this election is rigged, understand that they are trying to get you to stay home. They are trying to convince you that your vote doesn't matter, that the outcome has already been determined and you shouldn't even bother making your voice heard. They are trying to take away your hope. And just for the record, in this country, the United States of America, the voters decide our elections. They've always decided. Voters decide who wins and who loses, period, end of story. Remember that. It's a country where a girl like me from the south side of Chicago, whose great-great-grandfather was a slave, can go to the finest universities on earth. A country where a biracial kid from Hawaii, the son of a single mother, can make it to the White House. A country where the daughter of an orphan can break that highest and hardest glass ceiling and become president of the United States. That is who we are. That is what's possible here in America, but only when we come together, only when we work for it and fight for it.
There are so many things I admire about our First Lady. You know, Michelle reminds us to work hard, stay true to our values, be good to one another, and never ever stop fighting for what we believe in.